Hi guys, welcome back to Colossal Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Alright, in today's class we'll be talking about multiplication of matrix. When can we multiply matrix together, and how do we multiply matrix together? To multiply matrix together, the first condition is when they have the same order. So when you have something like 3 by 3, when you have something like 3 by 3, it can be multiplied with another 3 by 3. All right, that's the first case. If you have 2 by 2, multiplying 2 by 2, I get what I'm saying. Those are cases that you can have. So when they have the same order, you can multiply. Another case of multiplication is when the number of column, the number of column in A, when the number of column in matrix A is equal to the number of row in matrix matrix B. So that's why we say that A is of order what? For multiplication, it is column by row, or you say what? Row by column. Do you understand that now? So that is what we want to do in this particular place. So if I have a matrix 2 by 3, I get what I'm saying now. If I have a matrix 2 by 3, it can multiply another matrix 3 by 4. You see that now? Because the number of column here is equal to the number of row here, so they can be multiplied. All right. Now, what do you do when you are performing multiplication? You use the row multiplied by the column, then the row again multiplied by the column. All right. So that is what we want to do here now. So let's look at the graphics together. So we have A multiplied by, so A multiplied by W will give us AW. All right. Then plus, you put an addition sign between them, plus B times Y, that's BY. All right. You can see that I'm using the row 1 to multiply the column 1 now. Are you seeing that now? So I will move to the next rule. All right. I'll move to the next row now. The same thing again. So I will say A multiplied by X, that's AX. All right. Then what? B multiplied by Z, that's what? BZ. Do you understand that now? So that's for row 1. So what you are doing is you will use row 1 to multiply column 1 like that, and then you use to multiply column 2 again. All right. So that is what we are trying to achieve here. All right. So we are done with that part. Now we need to do the next one now. For us to do the next one now, we have, so we are going to go again, C multiplied by what? W. So C multiplied by W plus D multiplied by what? Y. Are you seeing that? Then I'll go to the next one now, C multiplied by X, then what? D multiplied by what? Z. So that is how we do that. All right. Now let's look at this particular example together. Look at this one now. We have 2. You can see the matrix of this matrix A is what? Which type of matrix is it? You know, forget we told you that when you want to pronounce matrix, you say the row first before the word be column. How many rows is this? 1. So this is row 1, 2 column. Are you seeing that? And this is what? 2. This is 1 by 2, and this is 2 by 1. All right. So you can see that the number of column here is equal to the number of row here. All right. So I'm gonna have 2, then 5. Okay, I've written that already. So I'm going to go 2 multiplied by 3, that's 6, plus 5 multiplied by 4, which is what? 20. And the answer to this is what? 26, because it's a single column. I get what I'm saying now. So you can see that it gives you a 1 by 1 matrix. All right. So look at the next example here. We have a proper example here now. We have a proper example here. All right. So let's clean this and let's think we have 0 here. All right. So now let's look at this together. Let me clean this so I can show you how it is done exactly. So what you're gonna do, 2 multiplied by 5, 10, plus 3 multiplied by 0, 0. All right. Then 2 multiplied by 1, 2, 3 multiplied by 2, 6. Do you understand that now? So that is the first thing to do. So I'm done with the first part now. Then I'm gonna go using the second row now to multiply them again. So 1 times 5, 1 times 5 is 5, plus 4 times 0 is 0. All right, then I'll go 1 times 1 now. 1 times 1 plus 4 times 2. 1 times 1 is 1, 4 times 2 is what? Is 8. So that's gonna give us what? 10, 8, 5, and what? 9. Do you understand that now? So that is how to do this matrix. So you can see that matrix xy is equals to what? 10, 8, 5, 9. So you should try this. I asked a question here that I should try. I'm asking, is xy equals to yx? You know what we did there is we multiply x with y. So I want you to do another one. And so pause the video and do that. Pause the video and do that, and let me know in the comment section if the xy is equal to the yx. Yx is, you will write your y first, which is 5102 now, then multiply by your x, which is what? 2314. So this is what we mean that you should do. All right, so try it out and let me know what the answer is in the comments section. All right, and also try this second. So this is question 1 classwork, and this is question 2 classwork for you. So you have to find m multiplied by what? By n, and n multiplied by m, and then you confirm if they are both equal also. All right, so now let's come to a 3 by 3 multiplication. Now let's come to a 3 by 3 multiplication. I want to multipy a and b. So look at it here. 1 times 2, 2, 2 times 0, 0, 0 times 1, 0. Do you understand that first part now? Then the next one now, look at the next one now. The next one again, you know, we've done row 1 to, so what we are doing is row 1 to column 1. That's what gives us this particular part. Are you seeing that now? Then I'll go again, the same row 1 with the second green line. Are you seeing that? So 1 times 1, 1, 2 times 3, 6, 0 times 4, 0. Do you understand that now? So that is it. Or okay, let me write it for you. So rather than showing you alone, let me write it so that you can get the graphical explanation very well. I don't want you to assume anything. So alright, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. So this is gonna give us, let's use the red. So this will give us 1 times 2. I think that 1 multiplied by 2, that's what? 2, plus 2 multiplied by 0, that's plus 0, plus 0 multiplied by 1, so that's plus 0. Alright, then now 1 multiplied by 1, 1, 2 multiplied by 3, 6, 0 multiplied by 4, 0. Are you getting that now? Then we go again now. 1 multiplied by 1, 1, 2 multiplied by 0, 0, 0 multiplied by 2, 0. Do you understand that now? So that is the first part. All right, now the second part. Now we are done with this. All right, so now we are going to the second row now, which is this particular part. So 3, so I'm going to go 3 multiplied by 2, 6, plus 1 multiplied by 0, 0, 1 multiplied by 1, 1. All right, so I'm still going again. 3 multiplied by 1, 3, 1 multiplied by 3, 3, 1 multiplied by 4, 4. I'm still going with that same road again, now with the third column. 3 multiplied by 1, 3, 1 multiplied by 0, 0, 1 multiplied by 2, 2. Do you understand that now? So I'm done with this particular rule also. Alright. Okay, so let me clean some of this. Now I hope you get what I'm doing. What I'm doing is row to column, row to column. I get what I'm saying. That's exactly why I'm showing you this thing in this pattern, so that you would understand and not assume anything. Alright, so we are on the last row now. On the last row now, 2, okay, sorry, 0 multiplied by 2, 0, negative 1 multiplied by 0 plus 0, 2 multiplied by 1, 2, 0 multiplied by 1, 0, negative 1 multiplied by 3, negative 3, 2 multiplied by 4, 8, 0 multiplied by 1, 0, negative 1 multiplied by 0, 0, 2 multiplied by 2, 4. Do you understand that now? So adding that together, that will give us 2 plus 0 plus 0, that's 2. 1 plus 6 plus 0, that's 7. 1 plus 0 plus 0, that's 1. Can you see that now? 6 plus 1 is 7. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 10. Don't put slash on it. I'm just showing you all these things. Don't put slash in your book. Don't do that. It's not done. I'm just using it to show, since I've already done this thing before. So I've written it before this. So that's what I'm just showing you. So 3 plus 3 plus 4 is 10. Then 3 plus 2 is 5. 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 2. Minus 3 plus 8 is 5. And 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. Do you understand that now? So that is how we got our what? Our A, B. Alright. So what if I want to do BA? Yes, you can also try BA. Try BA. So let's try to do BA together again, so you can understand this thing. What's your B? Your B is 2. So B is 2. So B is 2 1 2 1 1 0 3 0 2 1 1 0 3 0. Then 1 4 and 2. And our A is 1 2 0 1 2 0 3 1 1 3 1 1, and then 0 negative 1 2 0 negative 1 2. Alright, so let's multiply together. That's gonna give us what now? 1 and 2 times 1 2 plus 1 times 3 3 plus 1 times 0 0. Are you seeing that now? Are you seeing what I'm doing there now? So then we go again. 2 times 2 4. 1 times 1 1. 1 times negative 1 negative 1. Alright, then we go again for the third row now. 2 times 0 0. 1 times 1 1. 1 times 2 2. Do you understand that now? So we are done with that first part now. We are done with that first part. Then we go again. We go for the next row now, which is row 2 now. So realistically, we are done with row 1. So now we are going to use row 2 to multiply also. So let's use row 2 to multiply also. That's going to give us 0 multiplied by 1 0. 3 multiplied by 3 9. 0 multiplied by 0 0. Do you understand that now? Alright, so I don't want you to be confused. So that's why I'm doing all this. See, this is 0. So let me clean this again, so that there will not be any confusion. That's why I'm using the slash on it. So now let's go again. The next one now, 0 to 2, that will give us 0. 3 to 1, that's 6, right? then 0 to -1, that's negative, that's positive 0 or negative 0. Anyone want to use 0 is 0. So now we have the next one, 0 times 0, 0, 3 times 1, 3, 0 times 2, 0. Are you seeing that now? Then we go again, the next row now. So we are done with this one now. So 1 times 1 is 1, 4 times 3 is 7, 2 times 0 is 0. Are you seeing that now? Then what else? 1 times 2, 2, plus 4 times 1, 4, plus 2 times -1, -2. Are you seeing that now? Then 1 times 0, 0, 4 times 1, 4, 2 times 2, 4. All right, so that means our what now? Our okay, let me put this here. Excuse me. So this will give us 5, right? This will be 5, this will be 4, and this is 2. I'm adding together now. This is 9, this is 6, this is 6, and this is 3. All right, then this is 8, this is 4, and this is 8. So you can see clearly from here, you can see that what our AB is not equal to our what, our BA. I think that our AB is not the same thing as our what, our BA. So in multiplication of matrices, most times they are not equal. I get what I'm saying now. Most times they are not equal. All right, so in a 3 by 3 matrix, so the question you should ask is, in a 3 by 3 matrix, is AB always equals to what, BA? All right, so that is the question you need to ask. I get something now. The question you need to ask is AB always equals to what, BA? They are not always what, equal. I get what I'm saying now. They are not always equal. All right, so sometimes they are equal. If you look at the 2 by 2 that we did that time, they may be equal. I get what I'm saying now. But if you look at the one we did now, they are not equal, and that is to show you that you need to always check. All right, you need to always check to ensure that they are equal. Okay, so that is that under multiplication of matrices. So let me give you assignment on this. Let me give you assignment on this to do also. So do for X. Let me change the marker there. I'm having cold. It's the weather. So let's say we have an example, like let's say we have X is equals to 1, 0, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 4, -3, and then your Y is equals, so your Y is equals what? Let's say your Y is equals to let's say your Y is equal to 4, 3, 1, 0, 2, 3, 1, -2, -1. So what you want to do here is to do X multiplied by, so what you want to do is XY. You want to do XY equal to what? You want to check if XY will be equal to YX. So you are to do x multiplied by y, and you also do what? Y multiplied by what? By x. All right, so that will be all on this particular episode. So make sure you watch and do all the classwork and assignments. All right, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.